Hey everyone, Carson again with Volkswagen North Scottsdale. Wanted to take a minute to show you our newest trim level in the Atlas lineup. This is called the Peak Edition, and it comes in this fancy avocado green exterior. It also gives you the off-road wheel package along with the off-road tire package too. A majority of these are all going to come in the all-wheel drive variants, so you're not going to be sacrificing in anything in that regard. Of course, with the Atlas comes our extensive interior options, as well as the nice upgraded trim for the Peak Edition. So this one is going to have that orange stitching on the inside with the captain's chairs. And of course, you're going to get the full remote start system, heated and cooling seats, as well as the panoramic sunroof on this. So excellent addition to the lineup. We're very excited to introduce this. It's been doing really well for us thus far. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of us here at Volkswagen North Scottsdale. Thank you so much for your time.